Hello and welcome to the 7-Figure Mastery. This course, which is divided into 4 different parts, will equip you with the necessary knowledge you need to acquire in preparation for building your 7-figure online business. Let's get started. If you're a so-called newbie to internet marketing and you intend to set up your own online business, here are some necessities and technicalities you'll need to cover. Before running your online business, these are the 3 crucial steps you need to take note of. 1. Purchasing your domain. 2. Web hosting. And 3. List building. Step 1 is purchasing your domain name. This is your very first step to creating your own website or landing page. Your domain will be your www website address, and the fee is around $10 per year. To purchase your domain name, head on to http://namecheap.com/ to purchase your very first domain name. Here's a quick tip. Many of you are uncertain of what domain name to use or buy, especially if this is your very first time purchasing a domain name. Just buy the domain name after your name. For instance, janejohn.com. Another important point to note is to ensure that your domain is .com, as this is the most valuable name extension. When you've decided on your domain name, click Search and make sure the domain name is available. If the domain name is available, then you can proceed to purchase it. Click on the cart icon and then click on View Cart, a red button on the right side of the page, to continue your purchase. You'll then arrive at the checkout page. All you need to do now is to confirm your order. Then proceed with your payment. Congrats! You have now successfully purchased your domain name. Step 2 is purchasing your web hosting. When you've successfully purchased your domain name, head to the address which is http://www.janejohn.com/hostgator as an example. Proceed to choose the WordPress plan. For starters, I advise you to choose the standard plan. Then click on Buy Now. At the order form, choose I already own this domain in the WordPress domain field. Put in the name of the domain name you've already purchased. Then at the next part of the order form, you're required to choose the billing cycle. I recommend you select the 12 months billing cycle. Next is the security PIN. You can put in any 4 digits of your choice. You'll then be asked to enter your billing information. Enter your details. Ignore the Add Additional Services. The final step is to review your order and click the Checkout button to proceed with purchasing your web hosting. You have now successfully purchased your web hosting, and you'll get your web hosting details via email. Note your host name or IP address, FTP username, FTP password, name servers. The final step to complete your website setup is by installing WordPress through your HostGator control panel. However, to turn your pages ready into income production and lead generation, you require a page builder. This is why you need to proceed to install OptimizePress. Go to http://janejohn.com/OptimizePress and click to get OptimizePress. Choose the core package and proceed to make the purchase. After the purchase is done, download the OptimizePress theme, not plugin. Take note of your licensing keys, and now you're good to go. Step 3 is building your list. Always remember that the money is in the list. You can never start up your online business without building a list. Now, what's a list? A list or a mailing list are simply your followers or subscribers, which you've cultivated by sending them your landing page or website. These are the people who have chosen to opt into your mailing list, as they're interested in your offer or service. This is why having a landing page is imperative. You're able to generate leads by converting visitors into prospects, and then you convert your prospects into customers. When you have your own list, this is when you can start growing your online business to greater heights. You need to nurture your list not only by selling them your products, but you also have to provide them with valuable content from time to time. Providing value to your clients is important, as the more value you offer, the greater the chance that they will purchase your higher value or premium products. In other words, you're building trust with your list.